Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this issue which says we apologize for inconvenience, but we are unable to process your request at this time. Our engineers have been notified of this problem and will work to solve it, to resolve it. So this issue, I came across this issue when I was trying to access my AdSense. Yes, I can access the AdSense, then but if you try to go to payment or account, you get this also when you try to go to account, you get that, but then when you click on payments you get a problem. So that's what I want to try to show you how to fix that. So how do you fix that? Simple, easy way. You can close each and every tab here, and we go to, if you have ad block, that could be one of the possible ways why it's like this. Switch it off. Okay, we pin that here, then click on that. If you have any type of ad block, switch it off. Switch this off. You can see it's off now. Let's try to refresh. That's fine. So now we can see everything here. I'm gonna close. No, I'm gonna go to Google. Or let me create a new tab, close that, and say AdSense again. Payments. Everything's fine now. Like before, accounts, everything's fine. So yeah, I hope that was the issue. But if you have a different ad block, do that. But also, if the issue continues, this is Google Chrome. Try to use maybe Firefox, maybe another browser. You see what's going on. But in my case, this fixed the issue, and I don't have anything like that which gives any more problems, guys. That's it. I don't know if you can, because also me to fix this, I read about another article here. Let me maybe show you, but maybe it could happen like you have a lot of issues, like maybe my solution doesn't fix that. Go to Google and see, because I read here and this guy said this happens on what rate. Trying to Google whatever, fix this by disabling my ad blocker. So this ad blocker, that's what I did. I also has problem posted new ticket here. So these guys also posted, I don't know, you see this guy came before this one, so he was supposed to read this. Maybe it's the same fix, maybe different. Let me see. This happened to me recently and I fixed it by turning off ad blocker. Also, you see two people recommended this. Okay, if you get the type of message, then you have disabled your ad blocker extension. You can see this, 3 people are talking about the same thing, and I'm the 4th person because it has worked for me. I have done this, but I'm getting the same message on my page. You can see this person also, this didn't work for him. That's why you can be in the same scenario. Like as I'm saying, like it's not always one fix can do this. What you do for this guy, if I was this guy, try a different browser if you are in this situation whereby the solution I'm giving you doesn't work. Another thing, you can go to your Chrome or whatever browser, you disable all those what they call them, the extensions. Maybe you delete them, maybe one of them is blocking Google from giving you that access. I faced the same issue. Please disable your ad block, then I will fix it. It will fix it. Okay, this guy, almost everyone is talking about the ad block. Okay, I've seen the issue. Just tell me when to enable sign in Google Ad. Okay, just disable all ad blockers extensions. That worked for me. Okay, you see another person telling us the same exact thing we're talking about here. So there's only one person so far whose issue was not fixed by switching off ad blocker. I'm still getting it after dialing ad blocker, you understand? So this is the second person also. Okay, these are two people now who have not been, so which means you might be the third person who cannot fix by our fix, but you see almost 90% of the people are able to fix that. Okay, AdSense has told me we apologize for. Okay, let me see. Okay, another guy saying the same thing, another guy saying the same thing. Guys, I'm saying more than 90% they fixed this issue by ad block. Only maybe I would say 10% they haven't fixed the issue using ad block, and it seems to be a very old issue here. We in 2021 now, moving towards 2022, but you can see when the guys posted this 2019, you can see. So which means this issue has been there for quite a while. So I believe the fix we're giving in this video works for you. Yeah, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And if it didn't fix the issue, also tell us in the comment box below. If you have maybe a different fix, you can give us that fix in the comment box below, so that other people also benefit from that, because you saw some other people ad blocker didn't work for them. But also try to change the browsers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.